Hey there, nature lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly special to share with you, something that's going to revolutionize the way you approach wellness and healing. Say hello to the brand new Medicinal Garden Kit, your gateway to unlocking nature's pharmacy right in your own backyard. Now, before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates and reviews. Imagine having a garden filled with powerful medicinal herbs and plants, all within arm's reach. With the Medicinal Garden Kit, you can grow everything from soothing lavender to immune-boosting echinacea, right in the comfort of your home. Each kit comes with everything you need to get started: seeds, soil, pots, and detailed instructions on how to cultivate and harvest your own medicinal treasures. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, the Medicinal Garden Kit makes it easy to harness the healing power of nature. Just imagine plucking a few leaves of peppermint for a refreshing tea or harvesting chamomile flowers for a calming bedtime ritual. Customer 1: I never realized how easy it could be to grow my own medicine at home. The Medicinal Garden Kit has truly changed the way I approach my health. Customer 2: Not only is it convenient, but it's also incredibly rewarding to see these plants thrive and knowing that I'm taking control of my well-being. So, what are you waiting for? Transform your backyard into your very own apothecary with the Medicinal Garden Kit. Click the link in the description below to get yours today and start your journey to holistic health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gardening.